Yeah, you stay right there. I know you. You'll be a helper one day. Come on over here, Emily. What Emily's going to do, Emily's going to do a pull. She's going to get on this side. Come on the other side. She's going to do what's called a pullover. Okay? Actually, we won't do a pullover. We're going to do a leg raise. Sit down, Liza, so they can see over the top of your head. Watch what we're going to do. You're going to touch your feet up here. Oh, 3 times. Touch your feet up here. Put them up here. 1 and down. And up. 2 and down. And up. And sometimes when you learn, then you can pull up. Now pull your tummy up. Pull your tummy up. Pull your tummy up. Oh, look how she's sliding over there. And she pulls her arm up there. Oh, don't go that way. That's a tummy roll. Sometimes you do a pull over. But we're just going to do a leg raise. I might do a pull over. Now, here she comes over here. Mr. Nick's going to be right here. She's going to turn around on her back. Have a nice day. Put your hands down. When we do a back flip, you reach back with your hands and you look back with your hands on the red. Oh, and feet. Oh, I thought you were going to go. Huh? Right, hands on the red. Oh, thought you were going to go. Hands on the red. Now she's going to kick her feet to the green. Put your feet all the way to the green and stand up. What do you say? Put your hands up. Say ta-da. Ta-da. So we're going to do a little back flip and a hip circle. Over here, don't bounce on here. There's no springs there. Don't bounce on here. The springs aren't there. Bounce right on the head. That's what the springs are. Keep your eyes straight. You're looking at that wall. Now watch, I'm going to twist my eyeballs. Want to see my eyeballs twist around? It's going to look weird. You guys are expecting something. Look at that wall. And you bend your knees. This is called stick. Everybody stand up. Let's learn how to stick first. Free your arms. And fly up. Stick. When you land in gymnastics, sometimes you're coming from way high. If you don't bend your knees, you're going to jam your knees up. You're going to get injured. And finish. Let's try that again. Ready? Everybody say, stick. Now bend your knees and finish. You're trying to look like a monster doing that. Over here. Now look, she's going to twist her eyeballs. And she's going to bounce a few times. We're going to sit like that. Bounce. And twist. Twist. Hands up. Ta-da. Come over here. Front roll down the hill. Sit down, guys. We're going to start in a minute. Get on the cheese. Hands up. Hands down. Look at your belly button and roll down the hill. Have a nice day. Now she's going to walk on the balance beam. Oh, here she comes. Don't shake your head. If you shake your head, you're going to fall. Step over there. Step over and then you jump to the feet. Step over. Step over. Don't go over the tippy top. And jump to the smelly feet. Stick and finish. Okay, watch over here. Here she comes up here. You have to stay at once. Climb up. Oh, look at that bear. Don't just walk with your hands. Start walking. Oh, look at that bear. There's a bear with you. Freeze. Oh, and then you jump on the feet. I forgot the feet. Don't go down with your feet first. Hands up, they say. Ta-da. Now watch this. She's going to do a back straddle roll. Back straddle means your feet are open. Don't touch your hand on the floor. Put your hands on the floor. Touch your hands on the floor. If you don't touch your hands, you got to scoot down. Do not touch your head on the floor or you won't be able to do it. Now look at the floor. You can look. Now kick your feet and open and stand up. Stand up. Almost. Do it again. Give me some feet. Give me those feet. Stand up. Isn't that easy?